Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make crab roe noodles. We will begin by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including succulent crab roe and premium noodles. Next, I'll guide you through preparing the crab and extracting its precious roe and meat. Then, we'll cook the noodles just right, followed by crafting a rich, aromatic sauce. Finally, we'll combine everything for a truly exquisite meal. Now, let's prepare our star ingredient, the crab. Choose 2 to 3 fresh, live crabs to ensure the best flavor and texture for your dish. We'll steam them for approximately 15 minutes until they are perfectly cooked. Once cooled slightly, carefully extract the beautiful orange roe and the tender crab meat. Be sure to separate the roe from any shell pieces, ensuring a clean and delightful base for our noodles. Next, we'll create the rich, aromatic sauce that defines this dish. Begin by sautéing finely minced ginger and garlic in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil until they release their wonderful fragrance. Then, gently add the prepared crab roe and meat, stirring carefully to combine all the elements. Deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of Shéoxing wine, enhancing the depth of flavor. Let the sauce simmer for 5 to 7 minutes, allowing all the delicious flavors to meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to bring everything together for a truly satisfying meal. Cook 200 grams of fresh egg noodles until they are perfectly al dente, offering a delightful bite. Drain them well and toss with a small drizzle of sesame oil to prevent sticking and add aroma. Generously pour the warm, rich crab roe sauce over the hot noodles. Garnish with freshly chopped scallions and a dash of white pepper for a perfect finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.